In case you've missed their constant and unavoidable advertising campaign, it's Amazon Prime Day. Zzz.
Give me your money!
In this video, I've taken a break from emptying my own wallet to showcase some of the best music making gear you might want to treat yourself to while it's cheap. The new base model 11-inch iPad that was only just released this year is on sale at Amazon. It's £284 in the UK and $279 in the US. If you're just getting started with iOS music production, this is perfect. While not the latest and greatest Apple Silicon chip, the A16 is more than capable of running things like GarageBand, synths, and most iOS music apps without breaking a sweat. It's also got full support for iPadOS 26 and all of the enhanced file management, improved audio routing, and other new features that come with it. Plus, it'll be supported for years to come. The battery life is great. You can expect 8 to 10 hours of use on a full charge, and while its 60Hz 10.9-inch display isn't as good as the screens on the iPad Air models, it's still going to give you a great music making experience. The base model iPads now also come with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage as standard, which makes this iPad an absolute steal at this price. The M4 Mac Mini is also on sale for Prime Day. You can grab the base model for £499 in the UK and $549 in the US. 500 quid for a Mac this powerful is just insane. And if you're thinking about grabbing your first Mac, just buy this one. The 1-2 combo of its 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU means that it handles DAWs like GarageBand, Logic Pro, even Ableton Live, and heavy-duty instrument and effects plugins with ease. The base model comes with 16GB of RAM, great I/O options, and that lovely new compact design. The only downside is the paltry 256GB of storage, but there is an affordable solution for that too. The 1TB Sandisk Extreme Portable SSD is on sale right now for $89.99 in the UK and $129.99 in the US. There are other storage sizes available too, and they're on sale as well, but I think the 1TB model hits that sweet spot between price and storage. Whether you're using an iPad or a Mac, this is a great option. It's rugged with a solid rubber design and really portable. I've been using one for years, as you can tell by the slightly scabby state of this one, and I highly recommend them. If you've been on the hunt for an audio interface, you've probably looked at one of these wee red boxes. Focusrite refreshed the Scarlett range of audio interfaces last year, adding new features and input options. The most popular model, the 2i2, is included in Amazon Prime Day, so you can grab one for £129.99 or $189.99. It delivers up to 69 decibels of gain, which is great for driving quieter mics like the Shure SM7B without requiring external boosters. It has those gain halos that let you know if your signal is too hot, and it includes auto gain, clip safe, and air/drive modes to help you get great tone and avoid clipping without any fuss. It is just all around a great option for most people, especially at that price. The successor to one of my absolute favourite pair of studio headphones, you can grab a pair of Sony MDR-M1s for £179 in the UK and $223 in the US. These are pro-grade close-backed wired headphones that are perfect for tracking and even mixing. They have an ultra-wide frequency range of 5Hz to 80kHz, which ensures tight, powerful bass and crisp highs. They're also really easy to drive with an impedance of just 50 ohms, so you can plug them just straight into your audio interface or your device and get cracking straight away. You can grab the excellent entry-level Donner Starrypad controller for just £49.99 or $69.99. I've been using this a lot lately, well, since Logic Pro for iPad got MIDI Learn anyway, and for 50 quid, it's great value. The pads feel good if a little firm, and all the knobs and sliders are perfectly serviceable as well. Yes, it's plastic, but it's still pretty rugged, and it's that portability that makes it an attractive proposition for iOS users in particular. You won't find an as feature-rich alternative for anywhere close to this price, so if you've had your eye on one of these, now is the time to grab one. You'll find links to all the gear mentioned in this video down in the description, and yes, they are Amazon affiliate links, but no, you don't pay any more if you choose to buy through them. Remember, this stuff is only cheap if you are planning to buy it anyway. Don't fall into the trap of buying gear you don't need just because it's on sale. I will now go and try to take my own advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.